Tired of your outdated kitchen and bathroom? We've got the perfect solution. At 405 Cabinets and Stone, we believe your space should be a masterpiece. For over 2 decades, we've been the experts at turning your home dreams into reality. From sleek modern designs to timeless classics, our high-quality cabinets offer something for everyone. Our massive warehouse means there are no delays, as we will be ready when you are. But it's not just about looks. Our patented innovations, like extreme duty wastebasket cabinets and interchangeable base corners, bring functionality to a whole new level. Plus, our friendly expert team will be with you every step of the way. From design to installation, we pride ourselves on our customer commitment and personalized service. So don't wait. Transform your space today with 405 Cabinets and Stone. And take advantage of our unmatched quality, beauty, and affordability. Visit us in Fountain Valley, California, and let's create something beautiful together.